The latest tech product by Elon Musk founded OpenAI is ChatGPT, and it is nothing short of extraordinary. In this video I will show you about 10 potential use cases by using ChatGPT. Chatbot development. Generate human-like text. A chatbot powered by GPT-3 could provide more natural and engaging interactions with users. Content creation. Generate unique and compelling articles, blog posts, or social media content, saving time and effort for content marketers and writers. Virtual assistants and digital assistants. Generate responses to user queries. A virtual assistant could provide more accurate and natural-sounding answers to a wider range of questions. Translation. Translate any length of text into any language that AI is trained on. You don't need to learn multiple languages to communicate. Summarization. Summarize a book or a text script or any long piece. Even create different interpretations of the same text. Question answering. Ask a question and get the answer. This has applications in many edtech products. It can even provide an explanation behind the answer. Social media moderation. Detect and flag inappropriate or offensive content on social media automatically. Sentence completion and paraphrasing. Complete or paraphrase sentences of any length. Even decide the tone and style of the paraphrased text. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text. Convert text-to-speech or speech-to-text. And you can use with your video or something else. Write novels, stories, and scripts. Develop a story or a film script with different scenes, plots, characters, dialogues, etc. Creative storytelling with realistic and engaging elements.